Alright, if you don't want to always hit OK after typing in your PIN, you can set your phone to automatically unlock as soon as all the numbers have been entered. To do this on a Samsung phone, and Google Pixel also handles this the same way. Go to Settings, and then scroll down to Security and Privacy. From here, go to Lock Screen, and type in your PIN to access the lock screen settings. After that, you're going to tap the PIN option again, and then we'll just type in our current PIN again. We're not changing it or anything. While you're typing the PIN, you'll see an option below that says Confirm PIN without tapping OK, and that's the one we'll want to leave enabled. The only big catch here is that for this to work and be available, your PIN has to be a minimum of 6 digits. If you only have 4, you're not going to see that button. But if your PIN is 6 digits or longer, just enable that setting and continue. Mine's giving me a warning that this PIN is easy to guess. I don't care. I'm going to use that PIN anyway. And now I don't need to tap OK after entering my PIN. If you're using something like a Motorola phone, it's a little different on those. You'd go to Settings, scroll down to Security and Privacy, then go to Device Unlock and select Screen Lock. I have PIN set as my screen unlock, so I can tap that gear icon to go to the settings. And here I would just enable Auto Confirm Unlock. Turn that on, confirm with your PIN, and you're all set. But same thing with this one. Your PIN has to be 6 digits or more for this setting to be available. So that's how you skip the OK button after you type in your PIN on Android. Kind of a bummer that it has to be 6 digits in order to use this. I'm not a fan of that, but as of now, that's the only way to do it. Click that like button if this video helped, share with a friend who needs help with this, and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.